Mr. Wolf, everyone knows the story of the four little pigs, but I'll tell you the real deal.
Before we start, please switch off your mobile phone. No one really knows how this big bad wolf thing really got started. Maybe that's why they seem sad. But this big bad wolf thing is all wrong. It is all a huge mistake. The real story is all about the new program that took place in the kindergarten class about Mr. Fuzzy's side. He came to Mefis to help the kindergarten class with their unit of inquiry. That's what we're learning about. Students had to design a house they would want to live in. That was made out of a certain material. So each student had made a house of something different. But they had no idea what the wolf was going to show them.
Mr. Wolf was going to help them see how was the facts started on them.
Let's see what happened. My home is made of hay. I feel safe in my home. It's the best. It reminds me of a barn and horses.
I feel like we're in a barn of horses, but we might have another breeze in the air.
I can't believe it. My full collection has gone there ruined. Oh, what am I going to do?
Do not build a strong house. It will not protect you from the mighty wind. And see what your other friend has done.
I guess you really like learning glass for thinking.
My house is made of cardboard. I like to practice drawing some portraits and character book and keep me nice and cozy too. Oh, my dear friend, how long I haven't after the rainstorm. Oh dear.